Hey YouTube, what's up? Coming at you with another video here. Kind of today just thinking about how we think about the tools in our system and what questions we ask of our tools. So this kind of gets into an approach in how we see our tools and how we want to evolve our systems, and really just, it answers so many of our questions. For me personally, the way I can describe how I build out my toolbox, how I build out tool systems and systems in general, are what problems am I asking of this system to be able to solve. So for me, everything ultimately boils down to what problems I'm trying to fix or solve or otherwise address. Now, that's because for me, typically my engagement with any of these processes is reactionary. It's trying to fix something that's broken, trying to either diagnose or do the repair or make something run again or keep something running. And so, naturally, I tend to organize around problems. And it can be seen throughout the layers going down through my tools. So one of the most common problems that I have to address is a hex head fastener size or a fastener type in general. That's where my top box addresses that. But as I go down, I start going from fastener type being the primary way to fastener access between the different styles of ratchets, the different drive types, the appropriateness of that, going through, again, access opportunity as I'm going through the different styles of wrenches that I have. Similarly, access, but now for a different task: grasping, spreading, prying, clamping, stripping, cutting, manipulation tasks of some kind that the human hand just isn't optimized for. Movement problems, things that either aren't moving and should or shouldn't move and are, that need to be addressed. How we access these different things, increasing that capacity in having now recently added the extractor set, things that really should have moved out that didn't and now really need to move out, and just continuously going down the line, addressing layers of what are ultimately problems. Now, that can look very different for somebody else. Their entire optimization process could be the consistent maintenance of 1 to 2 specific vehicles or a specific brand of something, whether that be the cars that you have in your own garage at home or the brand that you service at a dealer, or the type of products that you typically use in a trade, whether that be something like you're dealing more with insulation or you're dealing more with framing, you're dealing more with HVAC or electrical or plumbing or what have you. That changes the systems and how we think about optimizing them and what we optimize for. And all of that boils down to a series of questions that we are attempting to find answers to. And I think it only gets more interesting as we step away from the toolbox, from even necessarily the workbench. We start thinking in different fields. We start thinking in fields of what we can do for building, construction, things of that nature, different jobs there. Going on to preparedness, to what we just keep with us, how we address all of these different things. But again, that's my brain coming back to problem solving. And you're going to need to be able to figure out what you are operating for and from and within. So this one's kind of quicker than some of the others. I just wanted to give another little something to chew on. So let me know if you like these shorter, trying to keep things more concise videos, or if you'd like to see me continue to ramble off into the weeds for 20, 30 minutes. At this point, I'm just interested to see if I'm answering questions, even if they are answers to questions that you hadn't known that you were asking yet. So just let me know down in the comments, if you made it this far, how you're interpreting all of this and how you're preferring to kind of engage with this. And if you don't really have an opinion on the matter, feel free to go back and check on some more of these kind of toolbox philosophy garage ramblings that I've been putting out lately, and just let me know what you think. Either way, that's all I've got. See y'all in the next one.